stuff.
Yeah, we didn't go to the bus.
I want them big. That shit go down.
All right, ladies. Boy.
She's nothing like the girl you ever seen before. The cloud is hot. Yeah.
The guy's rims.
Oh my god.
They're trying to like wipe it off.
He's tripping.
It was like a I'm surprised they're still staying.
I told her I was like, I'm coming back when she go to sleep. Yeah.
It also was like they seemed like they were about to play a lot of the same music too.
Shooting by same music.
Like it was just going on a ghetto music style.
Oh, okay.
I thought it was gonna be like a few songs and then switch it up, but no. This place is so different. It's like fun during the day and night. You like to go for a smoothie. You want to go this way?
Where you want to go? Jordan and Juice?
No, but like maybe if we see like something on one of the off streets.
Okay.
Oh, 91.
The telephone, shit unfolded. I be in here fucking with you on my name. We started off cool and then the shit changed.
What's up, ladies? Welcome to Voodoo, baby. DJ Single on the bell. We
Hola, Madre. Hola, Madre.
Shout to my Leos outside.
Hola.
My Leos is outside.
I'm really hanging with bitches.
Watermelon is so refreshing.
Yes, it is. What you got?
Watermelon.
That's
Fresh
sandia.
watermelon.
That's sandia, you hear?
Yeah. And it's so sweet, but like not overly
For
sweet.
y'all that don't know, sandia is watermelon in Espanol.
What the heck is Espanol?
Yeah. You only live once in Espanol, you hear? You only live once in Spanish.
Cuidado, cuidado.
All right, this is the Versace mansion.
It's so pretty. Like,
All right,
y'all heard-
R.I.P. to my boy Versace. Well, we out here though. But we made it out here. I don't know what they speak. I don't know what they mean.
They seem like they're arguing. I need to get back to the hotel. This is not my city.
Pristina.
Mediterranean place.
bad.
But good job.
And he knows that. Alvin knows that.
What's it doing?
Okay.
I'm like competing with walking space with the for the side, competing for the sidewalk.
Alvin, you heard? Hey,
You see the darn robot taking
hey,
the sidewalk?
sure did. Okay, with the yours.
Is that white or? Yeah, it's white.
Watermelon.
It's delicious. It's
Delish.
really fresh.
Let me get a bite. Let me get a bite.
I'm okay.
Let me get a bite.
No, go get your Big Mac fries.
Let me get a bite. You heard?
Get your Big Mac fries.
Let me get a bite. That was the joint over at the other spot. You heard? like? I'm gonna wait till we get it.
The piece is more like free.
This boy tripping, you heard? And this is our hotel. And we'll see y'all later.